I'd like to review you. Let's recall everything that we discussed. No. So last time, let's make this one as our official table. No, do not look for the other tables anymore, but this one. So that if there is error in here, then let's blame the error in here. No, not to any table. So this one is a presentation of what again? So it's negative 3.4 as a score, we say, up to 3.4, right? This is 3.4. But do not forget to attach the second decimal number, no? Okay, after 4, there should be a second decimal to the maximum. It's 3.49. That's just 3.4, but rather it's up to 3.49 from negative 3.49. Did you get that? And the representation of this, we call this probability, huh? Okay, we call this probability. That's why they're in points, no? Okay, remember class, no? I do not know if probability was discussed before, I do not know. But probability of actually tossing a coin and it's a tail or a head is half, right? That is why it's zero point 0.5 plus zero point 0.5, it's half. Did you get that? Okay, nakuha? Okay, so yung probability of getting those scores actually, if it's how many out of possible score, and then you have the group, how many of you, there is a probability, no? You can say that how many of you out of 50 taking the 100, no? Total score, 100, no? Can you beat 100 score? 100, perfect. That's perfect. No? How many of you in the group? Okay. So the probability that's giving us is actually just one. No? 100%, because 100% is equal to 1. Okay? Remember that. No? That's why 1 is 100% 1. Why? Okay. How do you actually represent 100%? No? Okay, remove the percent sign and then you say, ang tawag doon? 100%. Okay. That is 100% must be, no? Okay, pero tingnan mo siya, no? Pag clinic mo doon, hindi dapat dahil it must be 1. Okay, sorry. 0.00, sorry. It's 100%. Mali, natuloy, no? 1 probability dapat is equal to, okay, that is 1, no? Probability. And that can be expressed into, yan, 1, no? And then that one can be expressed as 100%, no? In Excel, you see the Excel, no? It's what? When you people know, talk about 0.76, negative 0.76, ano yun? Is there even a negative 0.76 probability? Yes or no? Meron bang negative 0.76% probability? Ano na mangyari doon, no? Negative. Okay? Okay. Can you say that your head or tail in that coin is a negative? No way, no? We're talking about positive if we say it's probability class, no? Naintindihan nyo? Okay, laging positive po yun. Never a negative, no? Pero for the z-score, it's a negative. But see, the values of these ones, no? These are all positive values. Okay? So they talk about the probability. They talk about the area, no? That's why the area is this one, no? Talking about this one. That negative 3.49 or 3.49 has no area, has no probability, no? Okay, in here. You start from here. And then you increase. Okay. What happens, no? Sorry, sa cumulative tayo. In here, no? Okay, 0.1. Okay, 0.1%. Okay, that is 0.001. Okay, and then you go out, no? So this cumulative percentage is the representation of your table here, no? It's going up, no? From 0.0002 up to Okay, paulit-ulit na lang si Sir Romel. Up to 0.99998. That is close to 100% or 1. You see, it's 0.99, no? It's equivalent to almost 1. When you round it off, it's 100%. Okay? In here, it's 0%. From negative 3.49 z-score, it's 0.0002. Round it off, of course, it's 0. Representation is, again, this one, the cumulative, no? Dito po. Okay. What is this one, Sir Romel? Okay, it's just a partition, no? Divide. This is 1, actually. This curve is 1. Okay, as you see him, cumulative is saying 1%, right? This is 1% as a whole, no? But if you divide it, you have this one, no? Okay, as 0.5. 0.5 plus 0.5 in the half, okay, it will be 1%. You see this one, no? You start from 0.0013 and you increase. Okay? So this one is basically coming from divide, that's 0.5, 0.5, and then divide the 0.5 into how many partitions according to the standard deviation, no? This is standard. If you cut this, actually, if you cut this other half, okay, you are cutting based on the standard deviation, right? And the mean, of course, no? A standard deviation, one standard deviation away from the mean, this is the division. You know what is the percentage of that? It's 34.13 is there, no? It's 0.3413. And then this one, when you cut it, this partition is 13.59, this is 2.14, and etc. Okay? So this one is, we call it probability of cases in portions of the curve, no? That's why when you hear the proportions, no? Okay, it's telling about the area, okay? The division of the area. It's proportion. What is the probability? Okay? So let's have them in this example now. So again, last time we say, okay, lakihan na lang natin, no? List lang, walang aalis dyan, no? Abstinent ko po ang wala dyan. Okay? You're complete there, no? Okay, you're complete there. So for this one, we already know, no? Baka pag pinakita ko ito, no? Sa quiz nyo. On Wednesday, you have a long quiz. After this discussion, expect that I'll give you a drill, no? So the drill will be a recorded one. Okay, preparing you for a long quiz on Wednesday. So for this one, we all know about this, no? Okay, all we need to know is we have a standard deviation and a mean, no? Even if we do not have this course, but basically this one, okay, a generalization that a group has 6.58 and a mean score of 50 is, of course, no? This one is giving you the what we call the central tendency measures, no? The mean is there, and measure of dispersion, no? This one, dispersion, no? How spread it is, standard deviation. But if I'll ask you, class, okay, is that coming from a raw score? Of course, no? Saan galing yun? Hinulaan? No. Siyempre, meron yung raw score, no? Okay, it's just that we don't know how many, no, test takers are there having those score, and we don't know the raw scores, no? What we know is that there is a standard deviation and, of course, the mean there, no? We all know what is mean, no? Standard deviation. Naku po, pagka hindi na alam to, patay tayo dito. So we recall this again. If you do have 50 and 6.58 as your standard deviation and mean, respectively, we do not pertain to this one. Why? Because this is a standard normal distribution, right? Having the 0 as the mean. This one is a mu, no? It represents the mean. And then this one is another separate one, no? Okay. We have to standardize this again based on this normal distribution, no? That's why 50 is the mean, yun, yung mu, no? And then, standard deviation is not part of this white, ha? Hindi yan. After 30.26, it must be increasing, no? Okay. You just add 6.58 after this one, and etc. Okay, going extreme left, extreme right. Okay, but this one, bakit meron ako niya? Kasi formula ko yan, no? Part ng formula ko yan, no? Ayoko kasi nung nagmamanual, no? Ayoko magmamanual kasi ang tanga ko naman kung hindi ko naman alam. I do not excel it how it works. The Excel works. But if I do it manually, my goodness, no? It's taking me time. So again, you set the 50 there. You see, 50, the mean is always in the center, no? It's the mean, it's 50. And then, why it became 56.58? Just adding that one, no? Okay, for the others, tapos na sila dito, ha? They do know about this. They do know about this one already. And then, okay, so this one, this representation of 6.58, the standard deviation, the mean there, you can actually have them in this one, no? In this standard normal distribution if you apply the formula that is, okay, this is the z-score formula. How? Okay, you must know, no, what we're talking about. What is the z-score of 35? And then you have this formula, it's 35. That is the score. X is for a score minus a mean, that is 50, over this one is, we call this one is, ano bang tawag doon sa, nakalimutan ko, na may sinabi doon, no? May kakaiba rin, mayroong sabi dito sa Greek word. Okay, so standard deviation is 6.58, then negative 2.28 is for 35, no? That is why if you have your 35 there, again, 35, no? If 35 is there, in here, no? Okay, not 36 itself, but 35. Kung nandito yung 35, okay, parang, okay, tingnan natin, no? Negative 2.28. Tama, nandito yung 2.28. Okay, 35, it's negative 2.28. Then we can say, no, that really negative 2.28 is the z-score value of the 35. And we say further that negative 2.28, 0.0113 is the representation of that, no? Okay, the representation of that. What is the representation? What is that representation? Okay, negative 2.28 is there. Andoon, no? Tingnan nyo na yun dyan. Kung hindi pa rin kayo dyan nakakaintindi, ha? Okay. Ewan ko na lang, no? Balik na kayo sa kinder. Okay, and then this one, okay, just deduct 1 minus 0.0113. It gives you this one. That is why this is the representation in the curve, no? Okay. So this one is the 98.87 from here, no? This area, no? This area. You don't just have the color to actually shade it, no? Okay, this shade here is the 98.87, and about this area, okay, this area on the left side of 35, the lowest score, and of course, the normal distribution that's having the negative 2.28 z-score, this one is, of course, the 1.30, no? Is 100% minus 98.87 is 1.30. This area here, this area. Okay? Okay, naintindihan? Thumbs up. Naintindihan? Okay. And then, we have the other example now here, no? I was actually talking to myself. Is there an error to this one or none? There is no, no? Okay. For this one, there is no error. Okay, let's have this one. Why is it that it says there that really 1.58 is a 0.4429, no? Okay, 0.4429. Okay, let's say. Okay, so we're talking about 0 to 1, no? 0.58. If you locate 0, z-score 0 up to 1.58, where do you have that? Okay, let's have this one, no? Para hindi tayo may, kasi pagka hindi natin siya naintindihan sa curve, if we do not understand it in the curve, then we seem to lose our mind, no? seem to lose our mind and say, it's not there, sir. Okay. So from 0, it's here, no? And then we create another one. Okay, it's 1.58. Okay. So again, where is that z-score 0? It's here. And then the 1.58 is, of course, we know that this is 1, no? 1.58 is here, 1.5. Then we just move a bit. Okay. So this one is the representation of 0 up to 1, this area, no? This area. What is that area? Okay. Why is it that it's telling here it's 0.449? Okay. How do we actually have that 0.449? Because if you analyze this one, 34.1, and then how do you actually divide 13.6? No, it will be so hard for you. Okay? Because there is an area. Because this is 13.6% area, right? Okay. Have the area here because this is the division, no? This is the boundary in this one. Have this area and add it in here. That is the composition of this area, no? From 0 to 1.58. But how exactly, no? How do you exactly solve this one? 0.449. Bakit siya 0.4449? Okay, let's have this, no? Okay, do not confuse yourself, no? So for this one, let's have the area first from here, from 0, from here, left, going to that boundary in here, no? You see, this one up to there. We can have this area by having the whole area first, no? Okay. But what is that? 1.58, no? 1.58. The area there would be, go to the z-score, it's 1.58. Okay? Sige, punta na sa chat box for those who are so ahead there. 1.58 is here, no? 1.58 is actually 0.9429. Remember, that is your area, no? That is 94.29%. It's 0.942. Please follow. Especially those who do not have laptop, no? You're seeing my screenshots here, especially the numbers. They will be so tiny, no? They're they're so close to not so close anymore, but tinier than ants will be. You cannot see them, no? Almost. Okay, nakakainit pag hindi kayo nagpo-follow. So again, that's 1.58. It's 0.9429, no? So it's 0.9429. It's here, no? So we're having the area from there to there. It's 0.9429. Okay? So you see this one. Notice that the area is covering this one, no? In having this area from 0 to 1.59, we do not need this, no? So this helps, no? This area there. But what is that area? I'm going to remove. It's 0.5, right? It's a partition now. See, we can make use of this one now. It's 0.5. That is why just have the 1 there and then minus the, sorry, that not 1, but it's equal to that whole area minus 0.5. Okay? Okay, you see, 0.4429 is really this area, no? From 0 to 1.59. This area. Did you get that? Kasi it will be so basic, ha? The quiz. Pag hindi kayo marunong nito, wala. Tinihan? So again, that's 0.4429 and it's being mentioned there as given, no? Okay. From 0 to 1.58 z-score, the area for that z to 1.58 is 0.4429, no? 49.29%. This one, a decimal, is also 44.29%. See? Okay. Now, it's talking now here, no? How about 0 to negative 1.58? It's just the reflection in the other side, no? The other side. You have this area. Of course, you do have that area also in here, no? 1.58 is here, the same, basically, no? Okay. What is this area? Okay. But if it's in the left side, you do not answer me with, yeah, it's deceiving, no? Okay. Other option, there is a negative 44, negative 0.4429 or 44.29%. Letter A. Should that be your answer? No. You will be incorrect. No? Why? Because an area is a measurement. You do not give me a negative area. Did you get it? Thumbs up, everyone. So answer in there, it's 0.4429. Did you get that? No, it's so base. Naintindihan niyo ba yung sinasabi ni Sir dito? Kasi pag hindi tayo magkakaintindihan. No? So again, if you will be asked, what is the percentage between, no? Okay, this one. A negative 1.58. Of course, this is a negative 1.58 now. Up to the z-score that is 1.58. What is the probability, no, that that group will have, no, in taking the exam? Of course, you add them all, no? It's 0.4429, twice of it, no? Ito, times mo na lang yan. Okay? So, magka-calculator kayo. Sa mga hindi gumagamit ng Excel ngayon, yeah, dito na ang consequence nyo, no? Wala kayong Excel dyan. Ako, matatagalan kayo, no? Uubanin na kayo dyan. Your hair, Samuel Nyampong, will be white hair. Uubanin. That's uban, Samuel Nyampong, no? Okay, if you do not use your Excel, patay na kayo, no? What is the probability that the group of people there will be having the z-score negative 1.58 up to 1.58? It will be, answer, it's 88.58% or 0.8858. Again, 0.885 is equivalent to 88.59. 58 rather. Did you get that? Okay, if that is another question for that. Okay, naintindihan na? Okay. Kasi nagtataka ako, hindi lang pwedeng hulaan kasi ito. No. There's no way that this 0.4429 can be actually guessed. No? Why? Because those area there, no, partition of that curve having this half and that those partitions of the other half and the other half there is so precise. No? And even the cumulative percentage there, it is so precise actually. It's so precise. No? Kaya hinahangaan ko siya. No? Okay. So it's my first time actually discussing this to you. No? I never actually handled. This is being handled in the grade 11. Okay? Grade 11 actually. There's a lot of z-score there. No? T-score, p-value, and a lot there. Your grade 11. So lucky you, if I discuss this to you now, then you'll be in senior high school, it will be a lot easier now. Okay? Naintindihan? Okay, mas lalo nyo siyang maiintindihan. Okay, let's go now to another. Okay, 12:08 na, no? Okay, let's have this one. Another example. Okay, so you see this one now, no? It's having another standard deviation. Okay, another standard deviation and another mean. Okay, in the curve. Okay, you see, no? Before, we're just only talking about standard deviation. How this persists that to the mean, no? We're talking about just the mean and standard deviation, and we can even actually graph it, no? We can illustrate it in a graph, okay? With this normal distribution and normal curve per se, we can actually illustrate, no? What that group is all about, what that height is, what that measurement is, representation of what scores, no? In here, no? Okay, let's have it. 90 is the mean. Punta tayo dito. Okay, let's center it. 90 is the mean and 8 is your standard deviation. Okay, how would that work in your curve? It's away from the mean, no? This 98 is away from the mean, one standard deviation. You just add a standard deviation that is 8 to that mean that is 90 and it's 98 and it's cleansing. This is 2 standard deviation, no? So it's easy. This is 2 standard deviation away from the mean, but it's going left, no? That's why it's decreasing, no? It decreases itself. Why? Because of course 90 minus 8, 90 minus twice of the standard deviation. Okay. And then what is the what was asked there? More than 100. Okay. So 90 is there being, of course, the reference, no? Where is 100? Away from the mean. It's here, no? 98, 100, close to 98. It's here, no? Okay, let's have this one. Okay, lagi nyo siyang lalagyan para hindi kayo mo na-stress, no? Okay, where is that 98? Okay, do you think? Okay, of course, 98 close, it's 8, 94, no? Plus 2, 4, 102 is here in the middle, no? So, dapat nandito lang siya. 102, this one, no? Huwag kayo titingin dito. Dito kayo tumingin. This one is 98, this is 106. So, therefore, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 98 is here, no? Okay, it will be here. Pero you do not actually divide it, no? Kasi you see, this one, if I cut this one into 2, is this area the same as area in here? I think it's not, no? It should be there. If you're talking about the half of these 2, it's not there. But in here, no? Okay. So 100 is here. Okay. So we're talking about here, no? Area here. Over 100, no? So again, it's more than 100. So you're not talking about the less than, no? Less than 100, but it's more than 100. So it's easy, no? Okay, what are you going to actually do? Z-score muna, no? Z-score minus 90, the mean, over 8, standard deviation, and 1.25. And probability is 0.894. I'll make it fast now, no? Okay, this one is, of course, the left, no? Again, if you see, okay, if you say this is the right, then you're wrong, no? You must picture it out already. You must picture it, draw a curve for you that 0.8994 is not right. Sorry, if you're talking about right, this 0.8994 from the table. Table to ha, hindi to huhulaan. This should not be guessed. Okay? Where do you actually get that one after having the z-score? This one is a probability, and we say it's a, sometimes we say it's called a z-score value, no? Equivalent to probability. Z-score value is 0.8994. Where do we get that again? From here, no? Okay, from here. Okay, that is 1.25. And then this one is always the left, is 0.894. And then this one, of course, it's 1 minus, no? 1, it's not 0.894, no? There's a big difference. If you say it's but 0.894, 0.8944 minus 1. Hello, you. It's not, no? It's not. Okay. It's a different thing, no? Okay, you see the difference of the two. Okay? It should always be 1 minus, so you can get the right side, no? Again, it's not a 0.894, 8944 minus 1, but rather it's a 1, no? Probability that is 1 minus the other, no? Okay, minus the other probability. 1 is the perfect probability, no? So we're talking about 1 probability here. It's 1 minus, that's negative. Okay, it's not, sorry, 0.8944 minus 1. It gives you this one, okay? Okay. Naintindihan? Okay. That is why, if you deduct those, okay, let's present this first into something, percentage, no? Okay, it's 1 minus 8, sorry, 89.44, it gives you 10.56. That is why your answer there would be, okay, you see, it's giving you this also, no? Ay, walang ganung option. Okay, walang ganung option. Okay, it's giving you this option already, no? Okay, and doon na naman si Panggulo, a negative. Area is never negative. Okay? So this one is your answer, no? Why? That is pertaining to the right side of the curve. This one. Why? Because of course, no? Over 100 is here. Less than 100 is here. Did you get that? Thumbs up. Bilisan na at naiinit na ako. Paulit-ulit na lang tayo dito. Nag-chat-chat na yung mga iba dyan. Si Anna Faith for sure, nag-chat-chat na sa boyfriend niya. Meron ba? Parang wala. Charot lang. Okay, charot lang. Okay, love ko kayo. Okay, let's go! Next na tayo, ha? Okay, 12:15. Kasi pupunta na ako doon sa measurement of the skewness, no? How do we measure? How do we solve the skewness of a curve? Okay, let's go. Punta na tayo dito. Ano dito? Okay, we're talking about, okay, like what we've done before. What we did with negative 1.58 up to the z-score that is 1.58. This one now, no? Okay, it's 75 and 105. It's between, no? We're talking about the percentage of the IQ score. Ayan na, nagsusukat na tayo ng IQ. Matalino ba itong si Grayton Exodus? Pagka mineasure ko yung IQ nyo, no? Baka wala kayong IQ. Charot lang. Okay? Maraming matatalino dito. Okay, let's measure, no? IQ scores is between 75 to 105. But we have to normalize it, no? Normalize or standardize it, having the normal distribution. Of course, we need the 75 and 105 scores, no? Transformed into a z-score. Okay, ano gagawin, sir? 75, transform it. No, 75 will transform into z-score. Okay, 105 will be, of course, transformed into z-score. See, negative, it's in the other half. The other half that is positive, it's in the other half, no? Okay, this one. Okay, you see, 1.88 in the PZ score table. Okay, it's there, no? Paano yun na naman kukunin? Naku po! Okay, sige. 0.0301. And then this one, it's in the other area, right side, no? Okay. But this one is talking about the right. Okay, punta na tayo dito. Baka kasi hindi na naman naintindihan, no? Okay, so this one is so easy, no? Left side is, right side is all we want to actually know, no? Because that is 10.56. Okay? Intindihan, class? Doon? Okay, dito naman, okay, let's have the mark, the mark. Okay, let's borrow this. Okay, and then let's check also the curve. Okay, if I have 1.88, where is that? Okay, I guess it's there. And another mark, it's a negative 1.88. I think it's here, no? Okay, bahala na. Bahala na si Batman, no? Pag minove ko ito, okay, dapat pa-sideways. Konti pa. Okay, you see, I'm moving it. Okay, I'm measuring it also kasi, no? Okay, 1.88 would be there. Okay, negative 1.88 and a positive 1.88. Negative 1.88 and 1.88. This is the area that we're talking about, no? In between the negative 1.88 and the 188. Okay, so we need to have the area of this one, no? Okay, from here to there, this one is the area. From here to 1.88, the area is this one, no? 0.9699. And then, why do we need to actually deduct? What do we need to actually deduct, no? This area, we don't need this. Remember, this area to there, this one, this division, yellow division, is area that is 0.9699. This one, no? This one. This is the area. Okay. And then what we're trying to actually show is the area from here to there. So this is excess, no? Okay. But what is this area from here to there? That area, of course, is 0.0301. 3.01 in percent, and this one is a 96 point something, right? Okay. So again, that is okay. So again, that is an area there, and that is an area there. So we basically want to actually deduct the area from here, this area, deduct this area from here, no? So Okay. So it's up to you, no? If you do not want it in percentage yet, it's up to you, mga people of the Philippines. Okay? If you want it in area, it's okay. But it's in between. So 96. It's 96 minus. It's. Okay. So the answer will be 93.98. Okay? So what is the letter? Letter D. Did you get it? Nakuha! Okay, nakuha. Intindihan? Okay, sige, go. So big area first, no? Why? Because we are using actually the cumulative frequency, no? Okay. Sorry, cumulative frequency tuloy. Cumulative, ano to? Diyos ko po. Using the cumulative percentage, no? So when we say the area from there, sir, the area from there to there, what is that? Cumulative percentage. From here to there, no? 1.88. It's here, no? Lumaki. Lumaki na naman siya. Bigla siya lumalaki. Okay? So it must be equal 1.88. Okay, from here to there, percentage is a cumulative, no? From here to there. That is 1.88. It is again an area that is, okay, this one, no? 96.99. But I don't need the whole area, no? Why? Because I need this boundary to boundary. But this area should be actually deducted, no? You don't need this area, that's why you deduct that area. But what is that area, no? Percentage. Z table is telling us it's 3.01. There, no? So you deduct this area, 3.01. From that area, 96.99, you get 93.98. And then the other is, okay. Okay, I think you can have that as a drill for yourself, no? For yourself. Okay, drill will be in your Genio, no? So that is a recorded drill. Okay, up to you now. Can you have this probability now? When you're saying, we're talking about probability now, no? So it's talking about the area. Okay, area there in the TZ score table, Z score rather, not TZ. The Z score table is telling about probability and also the area, no? Area of the curve, area, probability, it's the same. It's basically the same, okay? When you say, find the probability, as if you're looking for the area, no? Intindihan? In area, it is percentage, of course. It's area, okay? Okay, probability in 0.00 something, no? Naintindihan? Okay, they can actually interchange, no? Okay. Nakuha, pag probability, ano sagot to? Okay, ano dito? But why not in 0.00 something decimal? Because it actually presented in a percentage. Remember, no? Those decimal numbers in the z score table are but in decimal numbers and can be represented in this percentage. Did you get that? Pare-pareho lang yan, okay? Probability, area, probability. Okay? Okay, so answer that. Answer this, and then answer that. Okay. So left for you, for your drill, para mas mahusay kayo. Okay. So basically, you go there in your math, no? Okay. I have 5 minutes to actually discuss the computation for your skewness. Why is there a skewness? Anyone? Bakit nag-skew? Right to left. Okay. Do you think it's still a normal curve if we see the curve that we say it's skewed, no, to your right and left, Leah? If it's skewed to your right, it's skewed to your left, is it still a normal curve? Anyone? We are here. We are now in a skew now. Okay. Okay. Do you illustrate the curve being a normal curve or not? How close is it? Okay. Meron bang category Our curve is, we say, a normal curve, no? Is it symmetric to the very center, that is the mean, even the mode, and even the median, because they are equal, no? In the normal curve. Okay. How do you picture if it's a right skewed, no? Positively skewed, negatively skewed, rightly skewed, or right skewed to the right, skewed to the left. Okay? Normal pa rin ba itsura? Okay. Parang hindi na, no? Okay, sige. Tingnan natin ito. Let's have this, no? In the skewness. When we talk about the skew, we're talking about how close your curve is to the normal curve, no? Naintindihan? Okay, let's go here. 1226. Okay, this haunts you again, no? There's but group there and ungrouped data again, no? Okay. So let's have this one. Okay. There are three students, they're talking about the skew, no, of their score. And the score of one student there, okay, their teacher in, on what's this one? I do not know if it's math subject, no? But she was told that her score is negatively skewed, no? Is that positive to hear or negative to hear? Negatively skewed, no? Negatively skewed. Is this a bright student? Okay, so let's find out, no? Okay, if you have this is a normal curve. The skew is so normal, no? And then take note, in the very middle, mean equals median equals mode are the same. So therefore, we call the distribution is symmetrical, no, to the very center. Okay, so whatever you see in the left side of it, it's a reflection basically of the right side. So it's very normal, no? Okay, normal curve. This one is like an abnormal curve already, not normal, no? Okay, but we do not say it's, sir, it's abnormal. Say the other one is a very abnormal. No, we do not say it. Okay, but this one, so this one, no? This one is, okay, extending itself on the right. We say it's positively skewed. This one is extending itself to the left, no? Extending itself. Okay, why is this curve extending to the left and right, no? Right and left. Why? Because of the what we call the scores that are O. It begins with O and ends with R. What's that? Cat box. Go! Mga to, wala. Hindi na sumasagot. Face to face kayo sa akin, patay kayo sa akin. What is that score? It makes the curve, okay, in an illustration that it's being skewed now. Ano yung hinahanap ko? O R. What are those scores? Bakit merong ganun? Okay, very good, Samuel. Because of the outlier. Okay? So further, sige, review this one, no? Mean is there in the middle, median, and mode. What happens to them? If there is outlier here, do you think it will not give an impact to you, no, as a group as a whole? Okay, where are you heading? Remember, mean is a measure of how good you are, right? If there are two groups, if you have higher mean, then you say your group or your section is brighter than the other section because you have a what? A higher mean, no? Mean. Okay, take note of this one. Okay, this is positively skewed and the mean is here, no? No longer equal to median and equal to mode. What can you say about the mean, no? Okay, there is a great impact of the outliers on the right, no? Right, because it's positive, of course, no? Scores here are higher, no? So there's an impact. Mean becomes higher. That's why mean is here in your right side. That is why it's positively skewed. See, where is median? It's in the very center, no? it will not actually be moving. It's center median. Mode is there, but basically mode is frequency. Remember the height of this one. Mode is telling that in this curve, okay, in this graph curve, mode is actually the frequency, the height of this one, no? Whatever is there. Okay, so mode is there. Actually, it represents the height. It must be the height. It must be in the center. And then median is there, higher than the mode. And of course, mean is higher than the median and the mode. No, it's in the left, okay, of the mean. Okay, median and mode is lower than the mean. Kuha? Okay, what about this? Of course, lower outliers, okay, extreme outliers will give an impact to that group, no? It gives you a mean. This one is the mean. It's in the left side. So mean becomes lesser than the median. Remember, median and mode are all mean, median, and mode. Of course, they are equal in the curve, no? But in here, in the skewed, negatively skewed, positively skewed, negatively skewed this time, it is less. Mean is less than the mean. Median is less than that mode. You see this one, no? Okay, tignan nyo siya. Okay? And then this one, that is mean, median, mode. Okay, that is histogram. Okay? So eventually we will be having histogram, no? We will have this course, and how do we actually have this in your graph, no? As histogram. Meron na bang nag-aral sa inyo in advance histogram? Histogram. Taas ang kamay. Data analysis. Yung data analysis is seen here actually, no? Data and data analysis here. Did you see this one? Did you try this one? Okay, how do you actually add, no, this one in your Excel? Because this one, if you notice, you don't have this data analysis. How do you add this one? And when you click that data analysis, there is histogram there, no? Okay, did you actually study in advance and have that histogram? You see, we can present how skewed your group will be. Okay, your group score, the scores in group would be if, okay, we know how to actually solve this skewness, no? Diyan na tayo. Skewness. And actually represent it based on the histogram. Ayan, histogram. This is a histogram. This is histogram, this one. Skewed to the right, skewed to the left, no? Okay. More scores here, no? This one is an outlier, but much more in here, no? This one. Outlier. How many outliers? Okay, it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, in the center. So that's why it's right. Skewed. This is left skewed. What else? Okay, those examples there, no? And then, finally, this is your skew measurement. 3 times the difference between mean and the median over standard deviation. And then we say, ito siya. 34, 35. Sorry, 1 minute left. Okay, you see this one, no? Okay. It is highly skewed if it's greater than -1 or greater than 1. Or less than 1, less than -1 will be your skew value, and then 1. No? Greater than 1, highly skewed. And then moderately skewed, approximately symmetric. When we say approximately symmetric, it will be equal almost to a normal curve. Okay? Approximately symmetric if you have this value. Okay? What values are we talking about? We're talking about the values of that formula. No? So study this in advance. This one. Standard deviation. Skew. Okay? So again, symmetric there. No? Symmetric. Nandiyan yan sa baba. Symmetric. Okay. Symmetric. Approximately symmetric is near to that normal curve when you will present it. Did you get that? Okay? So no more time. Wala na pong time. So I'll give you just a drill for we're done, no? With this Z-score actually. It's so easy. It's so easy, and this one I've been telling you, is a help, no? Okay, this will further help you on how to actually deal with your cumulative percentage and of course, no partition pertaining to that portions on the curve itself, no? The division of the curves. This one. Okay? 68, 95, 97.7 rule. Sabi dyan. Okay? So watch that again. And then anticipate that in Genyo, I'll announce also in the GC, no? You do not answer that on Wednesday, no? And we will have the long exam or long quiz rather, no? You do not. So your drill, it's an offline activity. It will be there. So I suggest, no, you help each other. Bahala kayo, no? Okay. So I do not restrict you to answer it alone. It's up to you, no? Okay, bawi kayo. You have your friends there. Participate. There is a genuine drill. Okay, that's it for today. And okay, no one is absent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nawala si 10, nainip na. Okay, si 10 lang ang nawala. Bye-bye, class. Bye. Bye.